before fearing God, fear a man. Mamchunu decide to pray for imshado ebhidlikayo emndenini wakoshabalala. Vele ke umshengu usemshaye ngolalela uMamchunu. Ngapha uNdumiso ukuthola kunzima kakhulu ukuphinde athembe uPuseletso. Kodwa umbuzo umile, kungani bengahlukani? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on my brother's keeper from the 20th to the 24th of May 2024 on Monday. Puseletso arrives home late and Ndumiso is losing his mind. Mshengu offers Mamchunu an opportunity to get the closure she desperately needs on Tuesday. Mamchunu decide to leave Mshengu's fate to the Lord. Ndumiso and Puseletso are a long way from being okay. Nomusa forbids Ngubeko from mentioning Fakazile's name in her home on Wednesday. Ndumiso's rage and jealous gets the best of him. Mamchunu and Mshengu make up and rekindle their love on this day. Mamchunu take it upon herself to pray for the failing marriages in the Shabalala family. Sbu asked for Nomusa's intervention in his parents' marriage. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.